Conveniently prepare family meals. With 144 square in of non-stick cooking surface, you can sauté, fry, simmer or braise family meals in this electric skillet with lid without dirtying a second pan. Adjustable temperature from 200 degrees to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The heat on this electric frying pan is adjustable for a wide range of cooking options. Use the low setting to keep food warm until dinner or for entertaining. Cook in comfort with cool touch handles. The built-in handles on this electric fry pan remain cool to the touch while you're cooking and make it easy to move the skillet without waiting for it to cool. View food as it cooks through glass lid. The clear glass lid fits snugly on the skillet to hold heat in during cooking. Easily keep an eye on your food as it cooks without lifting it and losing heat. Easy to clean. Once the cord has been removed, the electric skillet and lid can go right in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. The nonstick surface and lid easily wash clean in soapy water. 38,526 features. Nonstick cooking surface. Adjustable heat. Cool touch handles. Glass lid. Dishwasher safe. Dimensions. Overall height, top to bottom, -6.97. Overall width, side to side, -16.34. Overall depth, front to back, -11.3. Overall product weight, -4.89 pounds. Note, if unit is not heating, check that the temperature control is installed completely into the skillet, the temp control dial is not at off, and that the cord is plugged into outlet. Please note that the thermostat will cycle on and off to keep the skillet within the desired temperature range. When done cooking, turn control dial to off and grasp plug body not cord when unplugging unit from the outlet. Preheat skillet for 5 to 10 minutes to allow even heat distribution across the cooking surface. Top reviews from the United States. Good bang for so glad I had chosen to order it money. Despite what to me was a low price along with a reputable brand name of Procter Silex, I almost did not order the electric skillet. My reason for considering it was due to my stove short-circuiting, leaving me with a convection oven, and a microwave oven, and no experience boiling pasta in the latter. After being successful in my first attempt, I then considered my other problems, namely, sautéing chicken thighs for my chicken salad for sandwiches, sautéing mushrooms which I do a lot, and browning ground beef for casseroles. I decided the reviews were positive enough that I went ahead and ordered it. It was delivered as promised on Sunday and I wasted no time putting it together with my Phillips screwdriver. Once the handle was in place, I read over how to set it up and operate it, then went to work with the chicken thighs. As I have trouble standing for long periods, I found it a pleasant difference to actually sit down on my kitchen chair while tending to the thighs as they simmered in the skillet. I then did up the mushrooms and found it so easy to do. The skillet is non-stick and therefore a breeze to clean up afterwards and is surprisingly light and easy to move. I am definitely pleased with it to the extent I may not worry over the stove but be content with my other two ovens and this amazing electric skillet.